Good afternoon, I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct, and this is our closing bell wrap for Wednesday the 24th of August. Well, the Australian market posted its first positive close for the week today, with the ASX 200 closing the session up 0.52%. The energy sector led the gains today as investors piled into the sector that performed well in Europe and the US overnight. Paladin Energy was the winning energy stock today, gaining more than 8% at the closing bell, despite no price-sensitive news released by the uranium miner today. Some of the key winners and losers today were WiseTech Global, which surged more than 10% during the session following the release of impressive FY22 results, including underlying NPAT soaring 72% and the signing of 5 new rollout deals for its CargoWise software, including with UPS. Iluka Resources also saw just under 10% today after releasing half-year results, including NPAT rocketing 186%, a 25 cents per share interim dividend, and mineral sands revenue jumping 30%. On the losing front though, EML payments tumbled more than 10% today after the payments technology provider announced its Centennial business has identified recent fraudulent activity that could result in losses up to $7.9 million. Nanosonics also fell more than 5% today following the release of the company's full-year results yesterday. On the economic front today, new home sales in the US fell by almost 13% for July, while locally the RBA's head of domestic markets, Jonathan Kearns, said the climate crisis is a significant issue for the economy and society. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were beta shares geared Australian equity hedge fund, BHP, Novonix and Whitehaven Coal. As for what to watch overnight, well, investors are keeping a close eye this week on US GDP data set to be released tomorrow for the second quarter to determine whether the world's largest economy is in recession territory. As well tonight, initial jobless claims in the US will be out tomorrow, which will tell if the labour market in the US is continuing to cool. That's your closing bell wrap for this Wednesday. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. We hope you have a wonderful evening and we'll see you in the morning for our morning bell ahead of yet another trading day.